Excuse me.
Right. Please.
So we do have small breakfast on topics sponsor.
Yeah.
So we do have some doubts on the project we have been handling so far.
Okay. So last week I given that case study, no?
Yes, sir.
So have you done that one?
Yes, sir. We done it, sir.
Okay, sit down, please sit down.
So we need a clarification about what is the design thinking.
Okay. About the project or
About
We're
the
thinking about implementing the DT concept here at our project.
okay.
Last week you have given us a task of
Basically user interface and the user design is not only user interface and user design in our IT environment, IT field itself, all are implementing the DT based only. That is design thinking concept only. So in that scenario, our course is UI and UX application. That is, we are going to create an application oriented. Okay, that is a web-based application or mobile app application. So here, I given that bus booking or ticket booking, booking app. I think so. Okay. So in that, have you know about that bus ticketing app?
Yes, sir.
Have you all gone through this? You have searched this bus booking ticketing?
Yes, when you gave the case study, we as a team started researching about the applications.
Yeah.
From our side, we have done research on how things work behind the scene, and we have completed a research, and we are come here to ask our doubts.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. First thing is when you're going for doing projects on this product, that is case study, you need to first thing is analysis. You need to analysis from different aspects. Okay. So you can take all the that is what is it empathy, that we call it as empathize. Okay. So for example, in the bus booking app, no. So we having so many apps related with this one SRTC. Okay.
Yes, sir, we have made a research upon it already.
Tell me that. What do you all empathize regarding this?
So there are certainly like 5 or 6 apps which we use for bus ticket booking.
Okay.
So Redbus, Abibus, SRTC,
Okay.
and Make My Trip.
Okay.
So according to Redbus, they ask for the from address, to address, and the date in which we are going to book the ticket.
Okay.
And in Make My Trip also they ask the same.
Okay.
And for SRTC, the mistake what they did was the user interface was not so friendly.
Yeah.
And the additional information they asked was the gender and the number of children, the age of the people. And this is for the Abibus.
Okay.
And the extra information in Abibus was they gave about the government details of the bus.
So the main pain points when we analyze this, there was a bad user interface in all the apps, and there was no information about how the bus infrastructure will actually be. So if the UI UX of that part is the interface is correct, we'll be able to identify how the bus infra and everything will be. So we need a photo or some design
of. You need to
include
that.
Yeah, we need to include
so that is your empathize. So empathize is nothing but நீங்க எல்லா விஷயத்தையும் நீங்க கலெக்ட் பண்ணி வச்சிட்டீங்க. Okay, that is the empathize. Okay. So next thing is we are going to define. So இவ்வளோ details you gathered. Okay. So now we have to define. Have you all defined that one?
Yes, sir, we did. To couple with the empathize part, we have also included the differentiation of the photos and the video graphics of a particular bus, and we also having a tracking system in the bus which would implement the trackers of the current situation on the current location of a bus to the passengers that are operating the online apps and websites.
Okay. After from the empathize part, we have collected the things that the user wants to need actually, sir. So we have tried enhancing the user experience using that app, sir. So and we have added the tracking system which will track the bus system in live, sir.
Okay.
And as Ashwin said, that it will show all the facilities and features that a bus has, and it provides all the information that is related with the bus.
Okay, so this is defined.
Defined.
That is one thing. அதாவது என்ன விஷயம்னா உங்களுக்கு எல்லா விஷயமும் வந்து இருக்கு, ஆனால் அதில் வந்து என்ன டிடி எப்படி கொண்டு வரணுங்கிறது வந்து தெரியல. இப்போ எம்பத்திங்கிறது என்னன்னா, she collected all the research no, that is empathy. Okay, so you telling that you are mapping that empathy. Your mapping that empathy is that defined. Okay, so that is the main ultimate. Next one is idea. So what is
we made a small interface in that same application.
Okay.
Like we need to add photos of the bus in the same application, sir. It makes the user can also visit the bus in the frame of photocopies.
Okay.
Then we added a main page. We added the photos and the tracking
there is
device.
flow of data.
Yes,
Which
sir.
is going. So
we
that
made
is
three
idea.
Yes, sir.
நல்லா தெரிஞ்சுக்கங்க. இப்போ வந்துட்டு எம்பதிங்கிறது எம்பதி மேப் பண்ணிட்டீங்க, நிறைய விஷயத்தை எம்பதி கலெக்ட் பண்ணிட்டாப்ல, பட் அதை வந்து மேப் பண்ணி நீங்க டிஃபைன் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. Then he is going to ideate. So which technology you are going to build?
Sir, we used a Figma tool to integrate the
Figma tool.
application.
So now Figma tool வந்து நம்ம ideate உள்ள கொண்டு வரோம். அதுல வந்து என்னெல்லாம் வைக்க போறோம் அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து which we have to go for flow of diagram. The flow diagram வச்சு நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், we are going to freeze that design. So next வந்து ideate முடிச்சிட்டோம். We are going to idea என்ன ஐடியான்னு முடிச்சிட்டோம். அடுத்து design or implementation. So அந்த implementation என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க?
So like we implemented in Figma tool as an application.
Okay.
So we designed the application, sir.
Okay.
Like we need to set an user frame like name, number, email ID, and personal details and logout design. Then which district or this state we need to go and which state from to go we made as sir.
Okay.
Like then we made application like which state is available and which state is not available. And also we created a included the photo of the bus and personal details of the bus, sir. So it is a first iteration, sir.
Okay.
So second iteration we made a payment bill, sir. Like how much of cost that one seat will be taken.
Okay.
Then and also.
So this is the design.
Yes, sir.
Our design நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா, we are going to after ideate we are going to implement this one. ஓகேவா? ஸோ அப்போ நல்லா டிசைன் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க. இதுதான் வந்து டிசைன் திங்கிங் கான்செப்ட். நம்ம என்ன வேற பேர் யூஸ் பண்றோம், பட் இந்த அந்த இதுதான் வந்து நம்ம டிசைன் திங்கிங் நம்ம வந்து சொல்றோம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஹோப்ஃபுல்லி அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் தி ப்ராடக்ட். உங்களோட விஷயத்தை வந்து நல்லா அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. பட் என்ன டிசைன் திங்கிங்னா என்னங்கிறது வந்து இது இப்போ வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஒரு அளவுக்கு ஒரு ஐடியா கிடைச்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ கீப் ஆன் திஸ், யூ கேன் கீப் ஆன் ஒர்க்கிங் ஆன் திஸ். 2 to 3 projects you can, if you are familiar with that one, you will be get more knowledge in the DT. Okay. So based on the DT only, all the companies, all the softwares are working on in this one. Okay. So hopefully you understand now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you can complete by within 2 or 3 days.
Sure.
Then you can submit.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.